I think it's very important for transparency, for investors to understand exactly what it is you're investing in. And Kevin and the team have done an exceptionally good job. Again, no style drift, no dispersion from what the mission is. And I'd sort of attribute it to three things, and I'll give it all like sort of a third. The third, again, the staying true to exactly what your cooking is, very important. Number two, obviously the performance. While the relative underperformance in 23 was one time period, the significant relative outperformance in 22, in a period where, again, so much money was lost by many investors who just put money into index funds or high technology stocks. I think that's probably the second component, Jay. And then the third, which is something that you'll understand, again, from our time together in the business. This is a unique culture that Kevin has created with the accessibility. So it's the transparency, but it's also the accessibility. Whether it's Josh or Kevin or Keisha or the entire CWP team, this is a culture that, despite the growth, the tremendous growth in terms of assets under management, is still a culture where we want to talk to the advisors, we want to talk to the clients, we want to be visible, and we want to be. You're not going to get some distribution wholesale center that is going to be reading from a script as to why a portfolio decision was made. And as you know, Jay, and maybe this was a set of question, as some firms get larger, they begin to outsource things like client relations. As this firm has gotten larger, if anything, the commitment to direct client relationships has only expanded.